Trust is invisible, but we depend on it deeply. Trust is the glue that holds our lives together. It's the oil that keeps our relationships, workplaces, and even society running smoothly. Think about it. Every time you get into a car, you're trusting complete strangers. You're trusting they'll stop at red lights, stay in their lanes, and not crash into you. Without even thinking about it, we trust people we've never met to do the right thing. That's how much trust is woven into our daily lives. In this video, we'll explore why trust matters, what's going on when trust is broken, how to best avoid broken trust, the 5 aspects of trust, and the power and necessity of self-trust. Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Broom. Welcome to my Things to Think About videos. At its core, trust is about reliability. It's the feeling of, I can count on you, and you can count on me. When trust is present, we communicate more openly and collaborate more smoothly. There's less anxiety and more confidence. Everything works better because there's no need to be constantly looking over our shoulders, wondering if someone will let us down. We don't always notice trust when it's there, but we certainly notice when it breaks. Many breaks in trust are simply misunderstandings. Someone forgot, or misheard, or assumed something different. So be sure you check before you decide you can't trust someone. It could be something real simple. Sometimes it is betrayal. That's when expectations are violated in ways that cut deep. Unmet expectations around faithfulness and significant amounts of money are often center stage. Both typically involve people we care about. The closer we are to someone, the more devastating it feels. Let's be clear that trust breaks most often from unclear or unspoken expectations. Sometimes our expectations are assumptions we've never said out loud. That's on us. Sometimes we speak and assume we have agreement. That's on us too. Sometimes we speak and get agreement, but others don't follow through. That's on them. Still, not every broken expectation is betrayal, even if it was on them. Remember that many upsets are from unclear agreements and miscommunications. Checking can save a lot of pain. Clear communication, asking, agreeing, and clarifying can prevent a lot of unnecessary heartache. That's why building trust takes discipline. 4 simple steps can save you a world of trouble. 1. Be specific about what you expect from someone. 2. Ask that someone if they agree to do so. 3. Get a clear response. And 4. Negotiate as needed. The more important the issue, the more important these 4 steps become. Without them, we're gambling with our relationships. Let's look at the building blocks of trust. Trust isn't just one thing, it has 5 facets. First is honesty. You tell me the truth as best you know it, and you won't knowingly lie to me. 2 is openness. You share information freely. You improve my decision-making with what you know. 3, understanding. You understand me. You understand my goals, my values, and my motivations. You are interested in me, curious about me, and appreciate me. 4, loyalty. You will stand by me even in the face of adversity. And 5, you keep agreements. You do what you said you would do when you said you would do it. Strong relationships involve trust in all 5 aspects, especially when they've been tested through hard times. Many people think trust takes years to build, but not always. You can inspire trust quickly by doing just 3 things. First, be non-judgmental, listen well, and be open about yourself. Too often we wait for others to show these qualities first. Be the one to go first, and more often than not, people will follow your lead. With all of that, the most important trust of all is trusting yourself. When we trust ourselves, we know we're strong enough to handle whatever comes our way, including when others let us down. People will let us down from time to time. That's just reality. Whether from misunderstandings or betrayal, it's a part of life. But with self-trust, instead of being upset, we can stay curious. We can ask, why wasn't my expectation met? Let's negotiate. Self-trust gives us choice. Others will sometimes meet our expectations and sometimes they won't. Regardless, we can consciously choose our response based upon our own expectations of ourselves and what we want out of our lives. Now that's the essence of real freedom. To summarize, trust makes relationships possible. It keeps them alive, our families and friendships strong, and our work teams and communities safe. Build them with clear agreements. Strengthen them with honesty, openness, understanding, loyalty, and reliability. But above all, never forget, when you trust yourself, you are never powerless. In a later Things to Think About video, we'll explore forgiveness and the possibility of reviving trust when it's lost. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this video with others you think may have issues about trust.